Hi everybody, another day, another unboxing. This unboxing is a cleaning kit, I assume, from Sneaker Lab. And while I unbox this, I just want to explain because I get asked daily, daily about Crep Protect products. And I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I was the one that took Crep products to Sweden. I was a bit too early with it. Nobody wanted to buy from me. Yeah, more or less, but the stores didn't care. And when I couldn't order 1,000 cans a month, Crep just ignored my mails. And they still do until today. But I get asked every day about Crep Protect or Crep Cure. I still recommend them. It's a great product, but I'm not affiliated with them. And as everybody else, I started off with Jason Mark. Jason Mark cleaning is pretty good, smells good. Crep is better. Crep Protect is the best that I've tried so far. But I got asked the other day if I've tried any other brands, because there are a bunch of them now that make product for protecting and cleaning your shoes. And Sneaker Lab is one of them. I've met the guys a couple of years ago at Cali Swap, I guess 3 years ago. Great guys. But I still haven't tried their products, so they sent me this one to try out. The Sneaker Lab Sir Pierre edition with my group Soul Love Crew. So that feels great. And here in the back we have a description that says Soul Love Crew started as a group of friends from all over Sweden who share the same love for sneakers. After discussing sneakers for several years on Nike Talk, Soul Collecting, and Facebook, we decided to share our love and passion for the sneaker game by starting Soul Love Crew on Facebook. Soul Love Crew is a place for true sneakerheads who share our passion for kicks. This feels great. And if you're not already members, be members on Soul Love Crew on Facebook. We are the only Facebook sneaker group that only cares about shoes, and no hate, no hyping things, no judgment, just sneaker love. That's it. So I really appreciate that Sneaker Lab did this with mentioning Soul Love Crew, our story, and of course with my name on it. So yeah, this makes me happy and proud. So let's see what's in the box. A really cool box. A display case. Glide is open. Man, I'm gonna keep this. This is really cool. We have a brush that is softer than the brushes that comes with Jason Mark and Crep. Everything smells really good. The brush that smells good actually. We have the Sneaker Lab logo. Yeah, it's a good brush. And then we have, let's see. This is leather care. Oh, that's nice. This is great because I usually use leather care that you use in the car or on your home sofa to soften up my shoes. So this is leather care for shoes. That's great. And here we have sneaker cleaner that you spray on both suede and nubuck. Guess that's way easier to use than the other products. Here we have sneaker protector. So this is the protector, the impregnation And the fourth one is, oh, odor protector. Okay, so we have leather care, we have the sneaker cleaner, the sneaker protector, and odor protector. So this removes bad smell, or probably helps you not get bad smell in your sneakers. So I'm gonna try them out, but most of all, I'm so proud and so glad of this. This is how you take care of your true sneakerheads. Not by ignoring them, by showing them love. So Sneaker Lab, super thank you for this. Really. And you guys watching the video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please comment. Have you tried Sneaker Lab products? What do you think about them? Which of the products do you like the best? And go find Solo Crew on both Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.